What's up? You know, this RusseL, you know what I'm saying? Coming from the BBC, you know what I'm saying? Shouts to my BBC niggas, T Street, E-Dot, and Paul Walk, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of haters out there, you know, hating on the BBC, but we just gonna continue working hard and making music, you know what I'm saying? So, I just wanted to make me a independent song, you know, but there will be more BBC songs coming out soon, so everybody don't be tripping. We'll be out there, and we signed a new artist, Light Bright know who it is, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Light Bright. Next time we get on here, we'll sign her, you know. So I'm about to make me a song, so just get ready for it.
Keep back here.
Why you knocking on my door? Why? Why you knocking on my door? Why? Why you knocking on my door? Why? I'm not gonna answer my door, so stop knocking on my door. 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 I ain't gonna answer my door. Stop knocking at my door. Yo. BBC, looking at me, the CEO. You know it's RusseL. Come from the HP. You see, RusseL, nobody knows about me. I'm coming from the boat. People already know I got money. You should already know. I throw paper everywhere, and that's what I do. I walk through the streets of the BBC. Can't mess with me. I'm a double OG. Oh, ho, you looking at me? Got the shades on, got the fitted hat tee. Mess with me, then I'm gonna go howl. Why you knocking on my door? Why? Why you knocking on my door? Why? Why you knocking at my door? Why? Why you knocking at my door? I'm not gonna answer my door. I'm not gonna answer my door. I'm not gonna answer my door. Everybody gonna knocking at my door, but I ain't gonna answer my door. I ain't answer my door. I ain't answer my door. I ain't answer my door. People on my door, and I ain't gonna answer it. Why you at my door? Cause I ain't answering my door. Hey, I ain't gonna. BBC kids, you already know what it is. Sure. You know what I'm saying? It's RusseL. You know what I'm saying? I'm outie. Peace out. Hey.